me ni som pani sang ni som ni paruk ani Kuwait lampangin Iran sipai pali an lo man dei mai ani he thili khongen man nge omzia ing tiam man nge ni ti te hi he video hianin kan ron react tlan main ka shil du cheu chu MVM Educational Institution hnuai hianin college asang sanga admission hon mekani Bangalore Karnataka campus oma hemi MVM Educational Institution hnuai college asang sang te hi campus khatano mani campus khatano ma wang hian unaw course asang sang zir duemo thian za ho course asang zir du tan helai hmuna admission ti hi areme mema elite health science UGPG pharmacy computer management le business paramedical le physiotherapy hospitality zir tur tamani chuwang chuan helaya phone number aron tarlan 86385 82182 a hianin zuk biula jes mara channel ring kan lo muate zuk tiula Mizoram an lo boi pui chonga arin tlak emamin ti kha kan ron soima sa duani tuna hianin admission an hongmek chuwang chuanin zuk bevat vat ro ti kha kan ron soima sa ani ole kan react chanang.
So President Trump begins traveling to Beijing today ahead of the historic
heti le hi etigangi azin don ti hin la confirm lo tun kar an tiringota Vawiinah China Trump hi hanzin wang donani heti le hin ron talang zuai
summit with President Xi of China and Iran will be high on the agenda.
Iran chungchang an soina sa don ani ti news lam pahan ron report ani soi tawang khanin President Trump le President Xi Jinping ate an ti na atang le deal an siam theini phei chuanin aruga in rem nan siam theini phei chuan Middle East atuna Indo na te in ti thiam lo na ang chi zong bo ruak hi ronin thak dor thei ani azin zo hun Trump ana enge press briefing press meet amma chon le hun aha hlel om to khop mai ani.
Lucas Tomlinson is live in Dubai with the latest. Hey Lucas, it looks like your country's getting into the fight.
Hepa hi puluka sa ania Kuwait atangin hetiang hianin report aron pedon ani soi tong khan Iran sipai palite Kuwait hianin mandai mayani mo.
There's no question about it, Brian, but first, some breaking news out of the country of Kuwait. The Kuwaiti government saying just this morning it detained 4
he chu official rem kho mai Kuwait sarkarin heti le hi aron posani
gunmen from Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps trying to infiltrate an island just north of Kuwait.
Hmar lam chumi bul haya thliarkar pakhata chuan heng Iran sipai pali te hi vakalan tumani enge kalan tum na chan kami thliarkar kha la kan tum nge omzia khatianga vakalan tum lai khan an manani tuna kan hre thei chin chumo
City. And during the melee, one Kuwaiti soldier was injured, and after repeated attacks here on the UAE and on U.S. warships in the Strait of Hormuz,
Lox Kuwait sipai pakhata in hliam mo hetila wang hian
just north of Kuwait City. And during the melee, one Kuwaiti soldier was injured, and after repeated attacks here on the UAE and on U.S. warships in the Strait of Hormuz, President Trump says the ceasefire is a tenuous one.
Okay kasi tian dan chuanin heng Iran sipai Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps mi te hi he thliarkar a hianin vakalan tumani karin dan chuanin engemo hei Iran sarkarina intelligence alak theina tura tan te poni mai the khatiang khanin man ro te po kha aru khan wa thuruk te pon tumania nge nia khalai thliarkar a khanin engeng tenge om Iran te hianin keini sipai te hianin kan la theyangem tiang chi te po kha ven thi thlai te po khan tum poni mai theiani khatiang ania khanin Kuwait sipai pakhat kha in hliam ti news lam pakhen ron report bok ani soi tong khanin in ka hayan puang meka amaro tun hai khanin Trump khan kanin ka hai puana hi tuna chonin a chaw raw to khop mai he in ka haya hi tuna hian ICU a om meka ni ti ten te khin tu ten a soi vel ani om je chu in ka hayan puana hi engti khun lai po ron top thu thei ani to ti na ani Trump atong kam hi common lo khop maya ate khin dan le entir na apek dan te poi common lo ani kanin ka hai puan dan kan ceasefire hi it's on a massive life support ati asa tong chuan om zia bera chuanin athalo lutuka kanin ka hai puan a hi ICU oma engtik lai po thithut thei ani tiang zonga a soina kha ani chu wang chuanin in ka hayan puan te po hi thok le khata ron re indo bur le thei ani ti kha ka Trump na aron soitum na ni deu berina langani
it's unbelievably weak.
Unbelievably weak. Trump atong kam chaw raw to mani in ka hai kan puan hi ama khan tu man kan zom chato lem lo ron ti na ang te poniang
I would say I would call it the weakest right now. After reading that piece of garbage they sent us, I didn't even finish reading it.
Iran lampang ina US kanin rotna an wathona ni Pakistan kaltang khan Pakistan in Iran an pe Iran an lo zirchianga US rotna kha an zirchian nuwa Iran lampang khan an lo changlet ve ya Iran chanle na kha Pakistan an pele ya ti chon Pakistan in United States an wathon le ani kami United States bula kha Iran chan na kha awathen le nu khanin Trump a chonin kha tiang bollo kha chierpo ka chier zolo alo ti khumani tu na hiamo Iran chan na chu angai ne prem rem hle mai Iran ina miron chan nu phei kha chuanin kan in ka hai pon te po hi heng te poi om zia nei lo tiang zong de win Trump a hianin soi pop mai ni
I said, I'm not going to waste my time reading it.
ka chier zo vek chuanin hun ka khoral mai don ti ten Trump a hian a soi
I would say it's one of the weakest right now. It's sort of life support.
Do you believe a diplomatic solution is possible?
Reporter hianin Iran le US te hianin deal in siam theyang em maran tiaran zot
With Iran, or do you only have military options?
tu da chuanin sipai chakna mang chawat thil hi chin fel thei ani to angem tiang zo khanin reporter in Trump a zo do
No, I think it's very possible.
Now, Iran's parliamentary
deal siam kha thei thawang thei chu atia amar zu Trump pakhe confit khan ama confit ka atong ang khan atong to lem lo ani ti chuan hepa hi Iran parliamentary speaker ni ta in ka sia galiba fa himo hepa ina asoi dan chuan there is no alternative but to accept the rights of the Iranian people as led hemi Iran ina rotna an siam ve akha poi som pali lai nin alang ani khami poi som pali an siam te hi an siam te kha in ti teang Iran mi pui te ta na thaber turanga kan siam ania chuwang chuanin Iran lampangina rotna kan siam hi US te hianin an pomangai an pomlo chuanin kongdang omlo an ti ve thlat mai ani thil dang manga deal siam pui min tumani chuan keini tan chuanin kan pom theidon lowa Iran mi pui tan chuanin hlo chamna ani don ani chuwang chuanin deal min siam pui wat du lo ani chuan America mi pui te hianin chia an choi renga khami chia an choya kha engma lo maya aluang ral reng don ani tiang zong khanin Iran parliamentary speaker khanin aron soya he an ron posamo hi Twitter an post ania chuan Wall Street Journal ina asoidan chuan Iran lampang te hianin Trump a hi thil ti tak tak lo thove mai mai anga an ngai ti in Wall Street Journal lampang hianin an ron report bok ani the regime figures it can outlast the US on the Strait and uranium Iran sarkar te hianin an ngai dana chuan le an lo mu ve dan an thlir tlanga tanga an thlir pui phei chuanin USI hianin hemi Strait of Hormuz han block anga te le uranium chungchanga te hianin an tang rei thei jok don angin anin ngai ani ti in Wall Street Journal lampang hian an ron reporta chuwang chuanin Iran hian US rotna pom du lowin an manin rotna an siam veya US rotna nola Iranina an mani mipuite puala rotna an siama kha kha kan pomangai he rotna kan siama hi Iran mipuite ta na thaber turania he rotna kan siama hi US lampang an pom theilo ni chonin keini point deal kan siam thei bik lo an tiani Iran lampang himo
Wall Street Journal editorial board bluntly writing today hit back, launching multiple airstrikes against Iranian oil facilities, as first reported by the Wall Street Journal, after more than 2,800 Iranian drones and missiles have been launched here, more than twice.
United Arab Emirates video masalama po kan react to hetila hizo Iran hian in abive na sa ni United Arab Emirates te po himo amaro United Arab Emirates te hian video masalama kan react to ang khan arukin Iran ram chunga nge hian beipui an lo thak ve ani ti kha kan report to ka hei tu na hian in an thalak te kan han mu theita hetila hizo rem khop mai United Arab Emirates nia tuna Kuwait lampang ten Iran sipai te an lo manbok Iran hi US le Israel te hian in an sop chaw to viauna an la tang thei khop maya chuwang chuanin an Middle East ram dang te hi an kable lawang ti te po hi asoi thei chi lawani tun tin phuna chuan
the number launched at any other country during the war, including Israel. And for more than 1,500 commercial ships that remain stuck in the Persian Gulf, they want out, and only a few have attempted.
Persian Gulf a hianin long sangkhat zanga chuang an latang ani tuna hian Iran an block awang te le Iran an la block awang han ti teng heng long te hianin chua san an chak to khop mai ni Persian Gulf khi chua san tur chuan Strait of Hormuz kaltang angai boxi Strait of Hormuz an kaltang don chuanin Iran lampang hianin poisa no charge don boxi khát tiếng kha nia poisa an charge an pek du lo chuanin Iran sipai te chuanin an lo ka ve don ti kha heng long nei tu khal tu te hianin an shakur don boxi chuwan chona boy kha khop mai ni ole ati zong ha tun trum news atana toisi kim sianga kan han riek thei chuania poimo bera chuan Kuwait lampang hianin Iran sipai pali an lo mana Trump hi China han jin don ti kha chiang ta Vawiinah han jin ve wang dona eng tak news ron honang mo ti zonin United Arab Emirates hianin Iran hi rukin lo be ve ngar mai ni o video la kanin mule theu don ne